Hello everyone, today we are docking in our second port of call in Africa. Sao Tome and Principe is a country in Central Africa. It is the second smallest and second least populous African sovereign state. We will be visiting Sao Tome, the capital and largest city of the Central African island country. This island country is located in the Gulf of Guinea, off the western equatorial coast of Central Africa. It consists of two main islands, Sao Tome and Principe, which are about 150 kilometers or 93 miles apart. Sao Tome is the larger of the two main islands in the Sao Tome and Principe archipelago. Cruise ships usually anchor offshore and passengers are tendered into the port of Sao Tome, located near the capital city, also called Sao Tome. After waiting 1.5 hours in the queue after collecting our tender tickets, we managed to board the tender boat, which takes about 15 minutes to reach the island. We were told the long delay was due to custom and immigration clearance by the port. Visiting Sao Tome on a cruise is a unique and off-the-beaten-path experience that offers a blend of lush nature, colonial history, and warm local culture. The port area is modest but welcoming, and you're right near the heart of the city. Sao Tome City has colonial architecture, colorful buildings, and cobblestone streets. Here are some of the things visitors can do while they are here. Visit the Cathedral of Sao Tome and the National Museum, which is also known as Fort Sao Sebastião. Stroll through the local market for crafts, spices, and local vibes. Sao Tome is famous for its high-quality organic chocolate and coffee. The coffee and cocoa plantations is also another place of interest to visitors. Here are some tips for visitors. Bring euro currency, as credit cards aren't widely accepted and the local currency isn't needed for short visits. Expect heat and humidity, so bring water and sun protection. Portuguese is the official language, but many guides speak some English. Today we will be doing a small group tour, and the tour includes the following locations along the east coast of Sao Tome as highlighted in this map. If you are into outdoors and nature, gorgeous beaches like Praia Micondó and Praia das Sete Ondas might be for you. Other highlights include its rainforests, volcanic peaks, and waterfalls. A short inland tour could take you to Boca do Inferno, a dramatic blowhole on the coast. For shore excursions, cruise lines typically offer several options. City tours, cocoa and coffee plantation visits, nature hikes, and the beautiful beaches. Driving through city of Santana. Stopping by the Abade River, where women spread a kaleidoscopic patchwork of drying laundry on the rocks. Visiting Boca do Inferno, also known as a Hell's Mouth, a geologic formations. It is a popular tourist attraction in the east coast. The view is great and very dramatic during high tide. das Sete Ondas, also known as the Beach of Seven Waves, is a popular beach on Sao Tome Island, known for its many waves, making it suitable for beginner surfers and families. It has stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean, where the waves crash against the shore, creating a spectacular sight and a symphony of sounds that enhance the overall experience. Praia Micondó, also on Sao Tome Island, is a more secluded beach with a lovely setting. Cascata De Praia Pesqueira is a waterfall located inside a fishing village where the water flows to the Atlantic Ocean. Pico Cão Grande, also known Big Dog Peak, is a volcano which is 663 meters high and towers over the rainforest, making it a great stop for photographers. Thank you for watching.